Welcome to the Out of This World show. 7 Ancient Egyptian Laws. Number 7. The Law of Ma'at. In ancient Egypt, the Law of Ma'at was the foundation of the legal system. It emphasized the principles of truth, justice, and order. It mandated that individuals should treat one another with respect and fairness. Violators of this law were subjected to severe punishments, such as exile or even death. Number 6. The Law of the Pharaoh. The pharaoh was considered the divine ruler of ancient Egypt, and his authority was absolute. The law of the pharaoh stated that all citizens must obey the pharaoh's decrees without question. Disobeying the pharaoh was seen as an act of treason, punishable by execution or imprisonment. Number 5. The Law of Inheritance. Ancient Egyptian society valued family and lineage. The law of inheritance dictated that property and titles would pass from one generation to the next within the family. This law ensured the preservation of family wealth and allowed for a smooth transition of power and resources. Number 4. The Law of Sacrilege. The ancient Egyptians held their gods and religious rituals in high regard. The law of sacrilege forbade any disrespectful or blasphemous acts towards the gods. Those who desecrated temples, defaced statues, or disrupted religious ceremonies were subject to harsh penalties, including mutilation or death. Number 3. The Law of Debt. Ancient Egypt had a well-established system of debt and repayment. The law of debt ensured that individuals honored their financial obligations. Defaulting on loans or failing to repay debts could result in forced labor or the seizure of property until the debt was settled. Number 2. The Law of Slavery. Slavery was an integral part of ancient Egyptian society. The law of slavery governed the rights and treatment of slaves. While slaves were considered property, this law prohibited their mistreatment, ensuring they were provided with basic necessities and protection from excessive abuse by their owners. Number 1. The Law of Trade. Ancient Egypt was a bustling hub of trade and commerce. The law of trade regulated commercial transactions and protected merchants and consumers alike. It established fair pricing practices, resolved disputes, and enforced penalties for fraud or dishonest business practices, ensuring a thriving economy. Thanks for watching. Now please like, subscribe and share for more of the Out of This World show. And please check out our store. The link is in the description under the video and upper right corner of the channel.